Hi everyone. The previous video we have studied about the command line arguments, that how to take command line arguments and runtime and how to access them, that they are stored in a string array, and if they are stored in a string array, so they both are string elements. So we have seen that if we add two string elements, and that is maybe 5 plus 3, so they are not gonna give 58 because they are string. So in the previous program we have concatenated two strings, so it gives us 53. And in this program we have told you that if a user is entering integer, and if you are entering integer through command line, but that's not integer, that's a string, so how to convert that in an integer and add those two integers. So this program is all about converting the command line argument, that is which is a string element, which is a string, and convert them into integers and add them. So let us study this program. We have defined this class command arguments integer. It is public, so the file name is exactly same as of class name, command arguments integer. This is our main function, public static void main. This is the main function argument string args. We need to give it either we want to take command line arguments or we don't want to, we have to give it. This is the syntax of main function in Java. We have taken an integer num1 and converted, and we assign that in num1 variable is equal to, we are taking a command line input here args0, this is a string, and by this line integer dot parse int we are converted the string into a integer. So this this is the syntax for converting a string into a integer. This is a case sensitive language, so you need to write it exact as it I have written over here, integer dot parse int. We are parsing the string into integer to convert it into integer, and again same as of num2, we have taken an integer variable num2 and assigned it equal to the second argument args1 and converted it through this integer dot parse int into an integer. And in the third line I have printed the sum of num1 and num2. In this program we'll see, let me first compile this program, command arguments integer dot java, there is no error and no warnings, and run it, arguments integer. Now I need to give two integers 5 3. See, the result is 8. So in the previous program we didn't write it, so the result was 53 because it was taking it as a string. And in this program we have we have converted those strings into an integer, so the result is as sum num1 plus num2. What if I have write here some strings like this? See, there is exception that now it is asking for integer, but what we are providing, we are providing the string. So there is a number format exception that it requires integer and we are providing string. So we need to write integer when we are asking for integers. It does not do typecasting itself, we need to convert it. So now we are asking for integers, so we need to write integers like this, 5 and 3, the result is 8. So this is about the command argument integer. In the next video we'll be studying more about Java. Thank you.